Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, Mzansi Magic released something like a trailer in a sense of this girl saying, "Hi guys, my name is Amahle Castella. Catch me tonight on Izingane Zesthembu." By the way, we did not catch her on that episode because I waited to see Amahle and Gimbonanga, you guys. But question is, could this be Umpumelel's, I don't know whether I want to say first wife, second wife, girlfriend, because there's so many talks on these streets, you guys. But all we know is that on that poster, Izingane Zesthembu, we can see Umpumelelo holding Utirelo's hand and holding another lady's hand. Now, guys, is that I've noticed most of these girls that come on this show with Umpumelelo, to a certain extent, I feel like they're only doing it for fame. Because last season, Umpumelelo came with his virgin Unosipo. If you could see her now, guys, on Instagram, Ugel is an Instagram han. So I just feel like they come on the show to get exposure, to get follows, likes, and they kind of become many public figures, and then they are caught in kanjalo. So I don't know what narrative are they pushing this season, but it's really starting to bore me because I know that this thing was shot, or at least I want to believe that it was shot last year. At this point, I'm asking myself, will Umpumelelo ever marry, you guys, or are they just pushing a narrative that's going to possibly keep us glued to our screens? Asazige, but Ugeli definitely looks like Umpumelele's type. She definitely looks humble. We will see what's what, you guys. Maybe this is her, because I don't see Unwande Shem. Unwande is into some Kupi. You know, it has to obviously be Umpumelele's girlfriend, you guys. Anyway, we will see it play out, how it's going to turn out. But hey, I'm tired of every season we're going to be seeing new young girls, virgins, that Umpumelelo is supposedly taking, and then it doesn't take them, and then hi guys, they need to come with another strategy because it's kind of bore. Anyway, let me pop it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.